Hey guys, welcome back. I have such an exciting video today. So I'm doing my very first collaboration ever, but I'm doing it with all of the wonderful ladies that you saw on the pop-up before you got to see me. I'll leave all of their channels linked down below. I'm so excited. So for this collaboration, we are all doing a very large Lush haul. I ended up ordering from the Lush website because my Lush, for whatever reason, doesn't have like a good stock on the holiday collection, and I really wanted to get some holiday collection stuff. So I'm gonna leave all of my collaborators' information down below, all of their channels. Please do check them out. Their channels are amazing. I have been binge watching all of them, and I'm so excited to be in this opportunity and collaboration with them. So we decided to do a Lush haul together, primarily focused on the new upcoming Christmas collection, which was very, very simple for me. If you guys don't remember, I ended up getting the Wow Lush gift last year. I'll leave that video linked. And their Christmas collection is something else. I was so obsessed with that. I'm still actually using some of those products now. So I knew that I wanted to check out the new Christmas holiday collection that they had this year. So I'm really excited that I was able to do that. There was a limit on our haul. It was a $50 UK budget, which means in US dollars, it translated to like $65 and some change. So that is what I stuck to. And it's interesting to me how quickly that money went, but also like how many things I was able to get for that amount of money. So I'm really excited. Like, you guys know me, I freaking love Lush. It's been like one of my newest obsessions. So today we're going to just go through this cute little box and check it out together. I ordered this a couple weeks ago when we were discussing the collaboration, and I haven't opened it yet. So I'm very, very excited. I ended up ordering a total of 6 things, and I've decided not to get the Wow gift this year, primarily because of this haul and because a lot of it is repeats from last year. So I'm going to hold off on that. I ordered a total of 6 things though. Y'all know I ordered some bath bombs. Oh, look, it says right here, this is the Winter Garden bath bomb. Well, that's nice and convenient. This one is adorable, if I do say so myself. It's got like these pressed flowers in it. Oh, I think it's so pretty. Oh my god, and it smells so good. You guys know me and like scents. I'm terrible at scents. But this literally just smells like a garden. Like, there's so many floral scents that come up, but it's a very like fresh floral. It's almost like a baby powder floral. Oh, it's fantastic. It's fantastic. And I have not seen this in any of like my Lush stores. So I saw it online and I was like, I have to have that. I also ended up getting the Butter Bear bath bomb. I'm pretty sure that this is the exact one that was in the Wow gift last year. I'm pretty sure, but he's so cute. Whatever the bear one was last year, I freaking loved it. And I had to get another one. Oh my god, he's so good. And he is genuinely so cute. There's a lot of ylang in this one. Oh my god. I can just literally, like, you guys, I am so awful at like Lush hauls because I just sit here and sniff things the entire time. And look at how adorable he is. Look at that little face. Oh my gosh. I also ended up getting this. It was too cute to pass up. This is the I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas bath bomb. First of all, such a good song. And second of all, oh my god. It's, okay. I mean, it's the cutest thing ever. And it's just, it's a little hippo. And it smells so good. This week of baths is going to be fantastic. Oh my god. Do you guys ever just go to Lush and like sniff everything? I totally don't. Not during COVID though, obviously. But, oh my god. That smells so good. I ended up getting a couple other things. I ended up getting a Snow Fairy shampoo bar. I love the Snow Fairy scent. It is their quintessential holiday scent. Oh, it's amazing. And I really have been enjoying the shampoo bars that I've tried thus far. I have a couple from Lush that I've tried that have been pretty good. And I just wanted to try that. Like, can you imagine your hair smelling like the Snow Fairy scent? Because that is like my dream come true. So I had to get this because I had to try it out. It just smells, oh. Snow Fairy is genuinely like one of the best things I've ever smelled in my entire life. It's just so happy and like uplifting, and like it's not necessarily like a traditional like Christmas scent, but for whatever reason it just smells like the holidays to me. It smells like happy. So I'm excited to try that out because ideally I'd like to primarily use shampoo bars, ideally. And then the last thing that I ended up getting, I guess this is technically 2 things. I ended up getting the Sleepy Soap Stack. first of all, how am I supposed to resist? It's like a little present, you know what I mean? Like, how am I supposed to resist that? It's so cute. So there were a couple of other things that I had wanted from the collection, the holiday collection this year, and I was searching through the website and I ended up finding this, and this had two of the things that I wanted all wrapped up in a cute little box with, how cute is that? And it was actually cheaper than buying the two things individually, so I decided to go for it. So this comes with two soaps, the Coconut Polar Bear, who is adorable and smells like coconut mixed with Sleepy, their Sleepy scent, which is also, by the way, one of my favorites. But he smells primarily like coconut. He only smells like Sleepy because the other soap that's in here is their Sleepy soap, which is so cute. This gradient thing they have going on with the Lush logo on it, I love that. Obviously when I take baths, it's at nighttime, so I wanted to try out the Sleepy soap because I have such a hard time sleeping, and I thought that something like this might help. Like, if I can just sniff it until I fall asleep, it totally will. I need to stop. I need to put the soap down. I need to put the soap down. Okay. That is my Lush haul. So all of this cost me a grand total of $65. I think it was like just under. I ended up getting free shipping. And I think I was literally within like $1 of the budget. We all know that I'm really good at spending money. So, but yeah, that is my haul. I cannot wait to see everyone else's hauls from this collaboration. So that is where I will be. If you need me, I will be watching everybody else's hauls. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you check out the lovely ladies in the description box below. Check out their channels. Check out their Lush Christmas collection hauls. I, for one, cannot wait to see them. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me, and I will catch you guys next time.